In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually enter bank transactions in Xero step by step. This is especially useful if you've missed a transaction, forgotten to record a payment, or need to manually add income or an expense that didn't import through your bank feed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to record both spend money and receive money transactions correctly inside Xero. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Xero tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account and go to your main dashboard. This is your home page where you can see your bank accounts, invoices, bills, and overall financial summary. Now, this method is for individual manual entries, meaning you're adding one specific missing transaction. At the top of the screen, click on the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. If you're recording a cost or an expense, click on Spend Money. If you're recording income that you received, click on Receive Money. The process is almost identical for both, but for this example, let's record an expense. After clicking Spend Money, you'll be taken to the transaction entry screen. The first field you need to complete is the contact field labeled To. Here, type the name of the person or business you paid. For example, if you bought stamps, you might type Post Office. If the contact already exists in Xero, select it from the dropdown. If not, Xero will automatically create a new contact for you. Next, move to the description field. This is where you briefly explain what the payment was for. For example, you could type stamps or office supplies. Keep this clear and simple, as it will help you when reviewing transactions later or running reports. Now go to the quantity field and enter 1. Since this is a single payment transaction, the quantity is typically just 1. Then in the unit price field, enter the total amount of the transaction. For example, if the stamps cost £15 or $15, simply type 15.00. Xero will automatically calculate the total based on the quantity and unit price. After that, select the correct account code. This is very important because it determines how the expense is categorized in your financial reports. For example, if this was for office supplies, you might choose something like 420, printing and stationery. Make sure you pick the category that best matches the type of expense. Next, choose the appropriate tax rate. If VAT was charged, select something like 20% VAT on expenses, depending on your tax setup. If no VAT was charged, you can select exempt expenses or the relevant Xero-rated option. Always double-check this section to ensure your VAT reporting stays accurate. Once you've filled in all the required fields, quickly review everything. Check the contact name, description, amount, account code, and tax rate to make sure they're correct. When you're happy with the details, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. That's it. You've successfully manually entered a bank transaction in Xero. The transaction will now appear in your bank account and reports, keeping your records accurate and up to date. If you ever need to record income instead, simply follow the same steps but choose Receive Money from the plus icon instead of Spend Money. Enter who paid you, add a description, set the quantity to 1, enter the total amount, choose the correct income account, apply the right tax rate, and then click Save. Manually entering transactions is a simple but powerful way to make sure your books stay complete, especially if your bank feed misses something or you're catching up on older records. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.